Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. Here I am back with another video. The topic of my today's video is internet. Before going into the video guys, please like, subscribe and share to my channel for more tech related videos as it takes me a lot of effort to make videos for you. So do support my channel. Now let's get into the video. The topic is internet. Internet, it is the largest network in the world that connects hundreds of thousands of individual networks all over the world. The popular term for the internet is the information highway. Rather than moving through geographical space, it moves your ideas and information through cyberspace, the space of electronic movement of ideas and information. No one owns it. It has no formal management organization, as it was originally developed by the Department of Defense. This lack of centralization made it less vulnerable to wartime or terrorist attacks. To access the internet, an existing network needs to pay a small registration fee and agree to certain standards based on the TCP/IP Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. The uses of the internet: send email messages, send, upload or receive download files between computers, participate in discussion groups such as mailing lists and new groups, surfing the web. What is web? The web, World Wide Web, consists of information organized into web pages containing text and graphic images. It contains hypertext links or highlighted keywords and images that lead to related information. A collection of linked web pages that has a common theme or focus is called a website. The main page that all of the pages on a particular website are organized around and linked back to is called the site homepage. How to access the internet? Many schools and businesses have direct access to the internet using special high-speed communication lines and equipments. Students and employees can access through the organization's local area networks, LAN, or through their own personal computers. Another way to access the internet is through Internet Service Provider or ISP. How to access the internet? To access the internet, an existing network needs to pay a small registration fee and agree to certain standards based on TCP/IP reference model. Each organization pays for its own network and its own telephone bills, but those costs usually exist independent of the internet. The regional internet companies route and forward all traffic, and the cost is still only that of a local telephone cell. Internet Service Provider or ISP, a commercial organization with permanent connection to the internet that sells temporary connection to subscribers. Example: Prodding, America Online, Microsoft Network, AT&T Networks. How to access web? Once you have your internet connection, then you need special software called a browser to access the web. Web browsers are used to connect you to remote computers, open and transfer files, display text and images. Web browsers are specialized programs. Example of web browsers: Netscape, Navigator and Internet Explorer. Client or server structure of the web. Web is a collection of files that reside on computers called web servers that are located all over the world and are connected to each other through the internet. When you use your internet connection to become part of the web, your computer becomes a web client in a worldwide client-server network. A web browser is the software that you run on your computer to make it work as a web client. Hypertext Markup Language (HTML). The public files on the web servers are ordinary text files, much like the files used by word processing software. To allow web browser software to read them, The text must be formatted according to a generally accepted standard. The standard used on the web is Hypertext Markup Language (HTML). Hypertext Markup Language HTML use codes or tags to tell the web browser software how to display the text contained in the documents. For example, a web browser reading the following line of the text: BA receiver addresses on the web IP addressing. Each computer on the internet does have a unique identification number called an IP address. The IP addressing system currently in use on the internet uses a 4-part number. Each part of the address is a number ranging from 0 to 255, and each part is separated from the previous part by provide, for example, 106.29.242.17. IP addressing. The combination of the 4 IP address parts provides 4.2 billion possible addresses. This number seemed adequate until 1998, working to develop an alternate addressing system that will accommodate the project growth. However, all of their working solutions require executive hardware and software changes throughout the internet. Domain name addressing. Most web browsers do not use the IP address to locate website and individual pages. They use domain name addressing. A domain name is a unique name associated with the specific IP addresses by a program that runs on an internet host computer. This program, which coordinates the IP addresses and domain names for all computers attached to it, is called DNS software. The host computer that runs this software is called a domain name server. Domain names can include any number of parts separated by periods. However, most domain names currently in use have only 3 or 4 parts. Domain names follow hierarchical model that you can follow from top to bottom if you read the name from the right to the left. For example, the domain names is the computer connected to the internet at the Graduate School of Business, which is an academic unit of the University of Chicago, which is an educational institute. No other computer on the internet has the same domain name. Structure of a uniform resource locators. HTTP. The transfer protocol is the set of rules that the computer uses to move files from one computer to another on the internet. The most common transfer protocol used on the internet is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. 2 other protocols that you can use on the internet are the File Transfer Protocol and the Talent Protocol. How to find information on the web. A number of search tools have been developed and available to you on certain websites that provide search services to help you find information. Examples: Yahoo, Excite, Lycos, Alta Vista, MSN Web Search. How to find information on the web. You can find information by 2 basic means: search by topic and search by keywords. Some search services offer both methods, other only ones. Yahoo offers both. Search by topic, you can navigate through topic lists. Search by keywords, you can navigate by entering a keyword or phrase into a search text box. So guys, that's it. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Guys, it takes me a lot of effort to make videos for you. Please support, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech related informative videos.